Hey, love. I can tell you're not feeling your best today. I know. It's that time of the month again, huh? It's okay, baby. You don't have to explain anything. I got you, okay? I know how hard this can be for you. But first things first. Have you had any help with those cramps? I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Anything you need. Just say the word. I know, sweetie. I know it sucks. But I'm right here. I'm right here to help you through it, okay? If you want, we can rest. I'll stay close. And if you need a distraction, we can watch a movie, cuddle up, or we can lay down and just let everything drift by. I mean, you shouldn't feel like you have to push through this on your own. I'm here to take care of you. Let me take some of that weight off. Sweetie, you're always trying to handle everything with just so much strength. But right now, just focus on resting and take it easy. You deserve that. Here, let me give you a massage. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? I wish I could take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything to make you feel better. Here, I'll stay with you as long as you need. If you want, we can just lay here and relax. And I'll hold you. And if you need to talk, I can just listen. Whatever you need, I'm here. I mean, you're so strong for going through this. But I want you to know that it's okay. It's okay to let go sometimes. You don't have to push yourself right now. Just let me take care of you. Anyway, sweetie, I got a surprise for you. I got one of these heated water bottle things. It's like in the shape of a bear. And you're supposed to microwave it and put it on your tummy. Yeah. Here, let me go microwave it for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie, I'm back. Let me place this water bottle on your belly real quick. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Sweetie, scoot over a bit. I want to lay down right next to you. You know, I was thinking about how we first met. Back in college, I mean, it felt like a lifetime ago. But I remember it so clearly. Like it happened yesterday. I remember I was like running late to class. Typical me, right? I was rushing through the hallway, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then I bumped right into you. And I'll never forget the look on your face. You were so startled. You were so shocked. All of your books went flying in the air. No, I felt so bad. I remember kneeling down, scrambling, trying to pick everything up. I apologized over and over to you, but you just laughed. And I can never forget that laugh. I mean, I think that was the first thing I noticed about you. And I don't know why. From that moment, I felt like I didn't know you. There was something about you. Something special. And I'm glad. I'm so glad that I bumped into you that day. It changed everything for me. Then after a while, getting to know you, I finally got the courage to ask you to become buddies. Then we just started studying more and more and spending more time together. And I remember how we used to study late in the library. You were just so focused. And I would just sit there too, just pretending to read. But really I was watching you. And I couldn't help it. And I was mesmerized by how dedicated you were. How passionate. And I still love that about you. I mean, you always catch me staring. And I'll make up some excuse. But I think you knew. I mean, I couldn't stop thinking about how lucky I was. How lucky I still am to have met you in my life. I mean, you've always had a thing of making everything feel right. Even when things are tough. And that's why I'm so thankful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. And right now, I don't know, I'm just so lucky to have you. So, let me go take care of you tonight, yeah? Hey, sweetie. Come cuddle. Come close. Come really, really close. Good. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart. trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do draw me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. But me and you. And it makes me so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, and I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice, combined with the way your lips move, it just mesmerizes me. And it makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness. And it makes it so comforting to be close to you. I mean, I love everything about you. And your lips are just a part of that. And your hair. And I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. It is. And I just love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It just kind of glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just kind of frames your face so perfectly. But I really do love running my fingers through your hair. It's so silky and smooth. I just love it. And sometimes when you let your hair down, it's like, wow. A whole brand new side of you just comes out. You really make beauty look so effortless. You really do. You're so amazing, sweetheart. And all this makes up your face. And you have the most perfect face in the world. You do. And every time I see your face, it just lights up my whole world. It makes everything feel brighter. Even when I'm having the worst day. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy or sad or annoyed. Every single one of your emotions that cross your face is so captivating. I don't know if you realize it, but you have a way of making me feel calm. And I can spend so many hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and every part of your face. And you're so amazing.